UVP 1000 Industrial Strength Repair Patch from State Industrial Products will revolutionize the way you repair PVC, metal, fiberglass, concrete, and more. UVP 1000 is a UV light activated, fiberglass reinforced polyester repair patch for hard surface repairs. It is different than most other repair items because it is easy to use, requires no special safety equipment, or time-consuming mixing or measuring. UVP 1000 is a versatile, permanent hard surface repair solution. It is flexible during application to conform to any surface, then it cures hard as nails in as little as 10 minutes. It can be drilled, tapped, sanded, or painted in about an hour. It even resists most chemicals, solvents, and oils. With its dependability and high temperatures, its ability to withstand high PSI, and its non-conductivity, UVP 1000 is an essential repair tool for every engineering and maintenance team. UVP 1000, another great product brought to you by State Industrial Products, caring for work environments since 1911.